Soro bingana emitwalo 83,362 kandi hari yabo emitwalo 18,231 n'abakazi rero emitwalo 25,161 n'abashaija.
Those are the people who slept in what? In Kisoro in the census what? Census night. But also among them we counted how many households are in Kisoro. And in total, we had 80,206 households.
District ya Kisoro eine abantu bingi abatabukire mitwe kandi eki nagira ngo nikiretwa abantu okozesa munonga ebitokoza bongo.
Also, we had issues on other mental health issues, what we call probable general psychological distress.
Kumunzoga cyane alcohol abuse muzawaraki urumva nkunze zawaraki injaga nibyo bizana iki no mu mago kuba muri kuyombaguranwa aba umugore ari stress umugabo umugore ari stress umugore kiri bari kubana inama nyinshi.
Dr. Mukiza yarangirira ngo abantu bingi omuri Kisoro nibakozesa amizi marungi omirimo yibari gukora buri izoba wageragyanisa na districts ezindi.
Members, what we need also to note in Kisoro, we said we have 80,206 households. And now we find that out of these 62,142 use improved source of water. Improved source of water means you have a boreholes, you have rain water, you have tap water, you have gravity flow water, among others.
Yayongera yashoboranguna n'obworo mu district ya Kisoro n'ubugendani bucendera okuruga ahari miliyoni 8 okuzari miliyoni 6 ari kugira ngo eki nikirugirira ahakushanga ngo abantu muri Kisoro batandikire gukora munonga.
Is that the poverty levels in the whole country have drastically reduced. The persons who are living below the absolute poverty line in 2019-2020 were 20.3%, which translated into about 8 million persons. Now from the recent survey of 2023-24, it has decreased to 16.1%.
Ogu nagira ngo omu reportage hariho abantu abashanjire ngo tibine bintu bari gukora ngo kandi abana bari hagati y'imyaka 18 na 30 ekinde kiri kutihanga ahakabikamani.
The youth are key for development, the key human resource. So in the whole of Uganda, we also noted that there are those youth aged 18 to 30 years who could not what? Who are not in education, not in training, or in any vocation.
Bituwe omunyishenjero owabukimbiri Honorable Eddie Kwizera wa Gahungu yahakanisa report y'abayubos ari kugira ngo bashimirirgarukamo bagikore.
Much of the statistics from Ubos is being doubted even by themselves. So you cannot come and say these people don't have pit toilets. They have. But maybe those who are carrying out census, they did not know what kind of toilets are there. In Kisoro they have pit toilets.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Adonia Heire ahabwa Tayari West omuri Kisoro.